So, I've just stumbled upon an AI tool that's blowing up. Imagine making your first few $1,000s with something so simple. The best part? Zero upfront cost with unlimited earning potential. This powerful tool is called Rask AI and is helping people generate full-time income. If you stick around until the end, I'll break down 3 effective strategies you can use today to start generating income with Rask AI without investing a dime. Let's jump right in. We'll start by exploring how this tool works, then dive into methods for leveraging it to build a full-time income. I've included a link in the description below. Click on the link to sign up for free. It's an AI video and audio localization tool that translates video and audio content into 130 languages. But it does way more than that. They partnered with 11 Labs, so you can use all 11 Labs voices in Rask AI. Okay, using Rask AI is super simple. First, head over to the top right corner and click that big Try It Free button. Then, you can either sign up with your Google account for extra speed or just create a new account with your email and password. Once you're in, you'll see a page where you can upload the video or audio you want to translate. You can either drag and drop a file here, I have a video that I can drop, or if it's a YouTube video, just paste the link in the box. I'll take one of my recent YouTube videos where I teach TikTok automation and run it through this tool. Let's see what kind of magic happens. Finally, give your project a catchy name. Next, it asks how many people are talking in the video. You can leave it on auto detect, which is what I usually do. Pretty straightforward. Next up, it'll show you the original language of the video. You can either choose it manually or again, leave it on auto detect, and the AI will figure it out for you. Then comes the fun part. Choosing the language you want to translate the video into. As I mentioned before, Rask AI has a ton of options, over 130 languages, from German and French to Hindi, Italian, and many more. I'll pick Spanish and hit the Translate button. Your video will magically transform into Spanish. It's that easy. First, it will start transcribing the video, and then it will generate the video. It usually takes less than a minute to finish. Alright, it's done. My English video is transformed into Spanish. Let's see how well the AI did.
Uno de los nichos más exitosos es poner a prueba tus conocimientos a través de concursos, que desafían a los espectadores a responder preguntas divertidas y atractivas. No hay más que ver estas cuentas que publican vídeos sobre cultura general y ciencia. Sus vídeos reciben millones de visitas y la tasa de participación es muy alta para este nicho.
And there we go. This means it can reach a whole new audience of Spanish speakers. As a Spanish speaker who tested this tool completely, I can confirm that even complex idioms were translated perfectly. That's why this tool stands out among other tools in the market. You can clone your voice or choose a different voice. Confirm and hit Apply Changes. When it's done, you can download the video. Now, you might be asking how I can make money with this tool. Well, making money with Rask AI is the main purpose of this video. The first method is using Fiverr. It's the easiest way to get started, but it also has the lowest earning potential compared to the 2 other methods we'll explore. Head over to fiverr.com and search for video translation. You'll be surprised by the number of sellers offering these services, some with hundreds or even thousands of reviews. This high demand shows the value of video translation for content creators to reach a wider audience. Let's check out this seller. He offers dubbing, voiceover, and translation services. The video we created together with Rask AI is a perfect example of his combined expertise. If I change the number of words to 1,400, which is an average number of words for an 8-minute video, he charges $83. And how long does it take to translate an 8-minute video with Rask AI? 1 minute. Amazing, right? Here is another seller offering dubbing or translating. For a 2-minute video, they charge $75 and $250 for a 10-minute video. Here's the kicker. With such a wide range of languages offered, the seller may utilize AI to get the work done. Here is another seller. People are charging hundreds of dollars on Fiverr for something you can do for free with this AI tool. Rask allows you to translate 3 videos for free, regardless of their length. You just need to get 1 customer and take the money you earned to upgrade to a paid plan. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online with AI. You can sign up for free with Rask AI using the link in the description to translate videos for people on Fiverr or Upwork without any extra work or language skills. Simply hover over Tools and click on Rask Shorts. This allows you to offer services like creating viral short clips from a long-form video, transcribing videos, adding subtitles, podcast transcription, and even legal transcription. The list goes on. You can create multiple gigs, each offering various services. and Rask AI can help you complete them efficiently within minutes. If you're enjoying this video and learned something new, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to support the channel. I appreciate it. Now, let's get to method number 2, which might be an even better fit if you're looking to maximize your earnings quickly. Reaching out to YouTubers. Alright, before you skip this part, just hear me out. It's way easier than you might think. Here is how to do it. Start with one niche, like personal development. Then, pick a topic, for example, how to become more confident. Now, look for channels with at least 50K subscribers. Head over to their channel and find their email. Copy it and paste it into a Google Doc. Once you've compiled a list of 10 to 20 email addresses, you can send them a friendly message. In this message, you can offer to translate their videos into a variety of languages. French, Spanish, German, you name it. In fact, you're giving them a key to unlock a whole new audience. I've even prepared a pre-written email template to save you time. Here it is. I've included it in the video description. Simply copy and paste it. To make your offer even more tempting, send them a sample video you've translated. Show them the magic you can work. This way, they can see exactly how much more impactful their content can be. This method can be very profitable. The best part is that it's not time-consuming, and you don't have to hustle all day. Rask AI does the heavy lifting for you. All you gotta do is spend 15 minutes each day finding around 20 emails and copy-pasting the email I already crafted for you. The more YouTubers you connect with, the more money you could be rolling in. We're talking anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000 per month if you focus on it and consistently send emails. I know what you're thinking, it sounds too good to be true. But trust me, this is one of the easiest ways to make real money online with the help of AI. No fancy skills or experiences are needed. Just jump in and get started. The third method to make money with Rask AI is affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it is a business model where you earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. Scroll down on their website and look for a section called Become an Affiliate. Click on that, and it'll take you to this page explaining their affiliate program. The first step is to register to be a promoter for Rask AI. The second step is to create content about Rask AI. And third step, upload it on social media platforms to make sales. Once you have your killer content and your unique affiliate link, here's the magic. Every time someone clicks your link and signs up for a paid Rask AI plan, you earn a commission. Now, how much can you make? It depends on how many people you refer. They have a little chart that shows you how much you can earn based on referrals. For example, if you get just 2 people to sign up for a paid plan through your link, you could make $670. And if you refer 5 people, you can make $1,677. And if you refer 10 people, you can make $3,354. Pretty neat, right? There you have it. 3 ways to make money by taking advantage of AI. The best method for you will depend on your skills and interests. Start with the method that feels easiest to you. Did these AI money-making tips spark your interest? Smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content on using AI to grow your income. Thank you for watching.